Hey, this is Jared with Omnivore Blade Works. I was just requested to do a little demo of the handy Opossum knife. What you see here, this is the nickel-plated raw version. It has the false edge on the top, which makes it the rabbit opossum. I have a couple different sheath designs. The first one is this trapezoidal shape with a square belt loop, which can go either horizontal or vertical on your belt. And then there's also this version which is more of a hip hugger. Belt loops, or your belt goes through these two slots, and it pretty much a strong side draw, although you could carry it on the reverse grip, so you can pull it with your left hand. This would be set up for a right-handed person, so you could pull it on a reverse grip with your left hand. I guess it would work for either person actually. Spinning around, you got a strong side draw. This particular knife is going to be gifted to my cousin because she got stabbed with it, and a friend of ours, I was wearing this sheath on my belt at the wedding earlier in the day, and a friend of ours grabbed it out of my sheath while I was bent over, and then was just fooling around and had it held in his hand, and then my cousin walked up and it went into her thigh about that deep with absolutely no resistance. Pretty dramatic series of events. Anyway, the handy opossum is a multi-purpose backup neck knife. It's meant for primary use as a backup knife. I just couldn't bring myself to make something that was singular in purpose, so this one has a oxygen valve wrench, and it has various SAE size wrench features, as well as two metric, I believe 10 and 12 millimeter wrench facets here in the handle cut out. It has some indentations, or jimping I guess some people call it, for grip on your thumb, and also to constrain paracord if you decided to wrap it with paracord. I think this one might be sharp. Yeah. So I'll just cut an apple here for you with a handy rabbit possum, and with a paring knife, so you can see the difference in cutting. It's a 1/4 inch thick blade, so it's not gonna make a very pretty job of anything, but you can get things done even so. Definitely pushing a lot of material out of the way with this thick blade. That's why I say it's mostly a backup, ever take carry kind of backup weapon type of knife with some utilitarian function. Now, a little slender, 32nd or 16th of an inch thick titanium paring knife is obviously better suited to this job. This is apparently a beta titanium OM beta alloy. We got this at the Blade Show and been using it a little bit. It's pretty cool. Nice and light. No way it can rust or anything because it's titanium, and I don't know, I think I kind of like that as a part of my kit. But for stabbing work and for better cutting, long edge longevity, the 1095 handy opossum is pretty cool. And then I had a few more of these titanium ones that I made early on. We can make some more of these. Maybe add a beta titanium. This would be a really handy knife. Get it down to like 1/8 inch instead of 3/16. This one's 3/16, so see how it cuts. Coring an apple. It's a pretty soft apple, but I wish you could see better at this angle. The angle of the knife is set up so that you can use it on a cutting board and not have your fingers get in the way and touch. So sort of a, I think the next version, if I make some out of some thin 3V or maybe some S30V, this could be a really handy, good, you know, utilitarian backup knife. Anyway, I'm going to eat this apple, and hope you have enjoyed looking at the handy Opossum in both titanium and in Cerakoted, nickel-plated 1095. Give us a call if you'd like to have one. Thanks for watching.